So in our earlier recording, we have seen uh, how to make a function as a friend of one class. So today we will be demonstrating how an external function can be made a friend of two different classes. So here, first of all, we will save the file as friend2.cpp. We will write include iostream.h and include conio.h. For this we need two classes. So we'll create one sample class and we'll create one demo class. So inside sample class, let's say we have one private variable int x, and in public we have one void display function which displays the value of x like this. In demo class we have one private variable int y. In public, let's write one function void show which displays the output of y to the user. Now, to initialize the value of x, we will write a constructor here which initializes the value of x is equal to 100. So for learning more details about constructor, you can see our next video. Here I will write one demo function which initializes the value of y is equal to 200. So now let's recap what we have done till now. We have created a sample class with one variable x, value of x is initialized to 100 through default constructor, and a display function to display the value of x. We have created one demo class with one private variable y, default constructor demo, which initializes the value of y to 200, and a function show which displays the value of y. Now let's write one main function. Here in main, let's clear the screen and create one object of class sample, one object of class d, and let's display the value of s and d dot show, and we'll write get ch. We'll run the program and see the output. Okay, see out. Okay, we have missed out this. Okay, let's save the program and we'll run the program to see whether it is working fine. Okay, now our task is to sum the value of x and y, but the problem is the x is present in sample class and y is present in demo class. So we will be creating one external function called sum, which accepts one argument of type sample and another argument of type demo to it. Okay, and this function we create one temporary variable t So it calculate s dot x plus d dot y to it, and it then prints the value sum is equal to, we let us print the value t. Now since sum is defined outside both the classes, so it needs to call like this. Since it is an external function, it is not a member function of any class, it is not called with respect to any object. If we do this, we get an error stating that x and y are the private variable of the classes, hence it cannot be accessed here. So for making this sum function as a friend of the class sample and demo, we need to write a friend keyword which is followed by the prototype of the function sum inside this. By writing this line, we ensure that this is sum function is a friend of class demo, and the same thing we have to do it here in the class sample friend void sum sample comma demo. Okay. So after doing this, we have missed out one more thing here. We need to do a forward declaration for class demo, that is, we call it as a forward declaration. So let's revise what we have done. One is demo, one is sample class with one variable, one is demo class with one variable. There is some function which is a friend of, we need to write 100% here, 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 here. Okay. Friend function sum is a friend function to both the classes. It access the value of private variables and return. Let's check it out. So we have successfully accessed the value of private variable x and private variable y, and with the help of external function which is a friend of both the classes, we have done the addition.